we're launching the Community Stations project, which is a 6-month project that's being done in partnership with PTV, TrackSafe, V-Line and Djerriwarrh House Services as part of that as well. It's going to be a series of different activities in view to increase mental health and wellbeing of those in the community and connect community members together as well.
We'll really put our hands up to facilitate that project, using the train station as a place to build community, to create community connections.
Today we're celebrating the launch of the wonderful mural that my students painted, and we're opening up officially to the public, and everyone's just sort of celebrating this brand new work of art in the community. My class did workshops, and together we created a concept, and from that concept we wanted to focus on diversity and create a mural that reflected the diversity that Melton has to offer.
I helped paint and stencil the mural up here, and I've done most of the stairs which are behind me.
One of the things that we really wanted to celebrate at Melton train station is its rich history.
I'm down here today because I'm interested in the history of the train station. What is happening here today is a launch of the 5 history boards in relation to Melton train station.
So it's a really historic site in Melton train station. It was one of the first buildings really, and really the first piece of infrastructure in Melton.
Events like this really help the Melton community because it means that people can come together and have informal conversations, but also can access the support they need if they're having times that are a little bit more difficult. So we'll be bringing along different support services here specifically to help the community.
Community initiatives such as White Ribbon are an incredible community awareness program, and it's a community strengthening program, and it's only imperative that the Mayor for the City of Melton come down and help that along. It also is joined by 2 other worthy community groups such as the Sons of the West that are promoting it.
Here today to help Sons of the West and Djerriwarrh Health Services to promote Family Violence Day.
Today we've got men here talking about men's health. We've got people that are trying to encourage older people to check their prostates, for example. So there's so many different elements of messages that we're trying to get out, and the more that people are out in the community doing that, the safer and healthier a community can be.
It creates a partnership of strength and a community that is well grounded and supports one another.
We're running this event to promote a week without violence. So with that, we've got a range of different activities happening further down at this shipping container over there. We've got some of the local police and everything involved as well, and other service providers in the community.
Today there's a community barbecue for all the staff and locals here at Melton. There's also t-shirt painting.
Well, I guess it's about raising awareness for the Week Without Violence, and down here hoping to speak to some people about their experiences, or just to give them some information around what services that we are able to offer from the Community Health Centre.
Today at Melton train station, I'm facilitating a mosaic workshop for the Melton Community Stations project. People can come along and make a house number. If they don't want to make a house number, there's the option to make a flower, and then the mosaics can be put up on people's houses and to make the streets even more beautiful.
I think people are feeling pleased, like something like beautifying the place, doing mosaic projects and seeing them up in their permanent installations, and every time you walk past you feel a little bit better, and you feel better about where you live and about the sense that you belong.
We've added lots of colour through artwork, and that's really around addressing some of those perceptions of safety that were really, I guess, concerning some of the residents in having to use the space.
The community needs to be informed of the issues in relation to mental health, and this is the conduit I see as being an ideal opportunity to do that.
Community members are out talking immediately to other community members, and they're spreading a message, and that message is really important to a community about safety and I guess about education.
Oh, it's always very vibrant, the Linking Melton South events. Love them. I think it's absolutely wonderful to see collaboration between community, groups, organisations and organisations outside of Melton, like V-Line for example.
We are giving something back to the community, and also it's a free event, so they seem to enjoy that.
One of our goals was to try and see how we could connect with people at the train station.
Creating a sense of community and a space that people can feel welcome.
It gives us the opportunity to have those conversations, find out what is happening for people, find out what is needed in Melton South, and find out how we can work together, and that's been really rewarding.
People are more willing to and ready to engage with us and with each other as well.
So we're providing different training opportunities and also helping to enhance their leadership skills and supporting them to feel more confident in being able to take action themselves even when programs like this finish.
Because the south side is the right side of Melton South. Oh yeah! Now the south side is the right side in Melton South. Now they named the station Melton, not Melton South. Why'd they do that? They named the station Melton, not Melton South. Why did they name the station Melton? There's gotta be a cupboard in the skeleton. Yes, they named the station Melton, not Melton South.